Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down diagnostic trouble code P219A, an air-fuel ratio imbalance on bank 1. This code is all about your engine not getting the right fuel mix, and I'll show you what causes it and how to fix it. Code P219A means your engine's air-fuel ratio is off, but only on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The powertrain control module has detected that at least one cylinder isn't getting the correct fuel-to-air mix. This can lead to poor combustion, misfires, or even long-term engine wear. It's a code you don't want to ignore. Let's go over the common causes. It could be a leaky or clogged fuel injector, messing with how much fuel gets into a cylinder. Vacuum leaks or bad intake manifold gaskets can throw off the air entering the engine. A dirty or failing mass airflow sensor is also a common reason. It misreads how much air is coming in. And in some cases, an oxygen sensor or uneven cylinder compression can be to blame. What symptoms might you notice? The check engine light will definitely come on. You'll likely experience a rough idle, misfires, or even hesitation when accelerating. Fuel efficiency will probably drop. And if you scan the vehicle, you may see additional codes, like lean or rich conditions or random misfires. Here's how you can troubleshoot it. Start by inspecting the fuel injectors, check for leaks or clogs, and verify fuel pressure. Next, look for vacuum leaks. Check all hoses, gaskets, and intake components. A dirty MAF sensor can be cleaned or replaced if it's giving bad data. Finally, check your O2 sensor data and even consider a compression test if nothing else turns up. That wraps up our quick guide to code P219A. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more auto repair tips, and leave a comment if you've seen this code on your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.